Tap to stop. Camera.
Hi, hello and welcome to Blind Explorer YouTube channel. So here I'm going, in this video we're going to learn about Jieshuo, or we also can known as commentary screen reader CSR. So I already has uploaded the video about this, but I redo the video because of the bad voice quality. So I hope this voice quality will be better than that video. So I have deleted that video from my channel. So this is the new video and updated video. I have received the comments from all the viewers and audience. So I'm just redo the video just only for you, my dear friends. So without any delay, we are going to look about Jieshuo part 1, that is how to set up your wizard in your Jieshuo. What is that set up wizard and what is the Jieshuo actually? Jieshuo is we also can known as commentary screen reader or CSR. It's also one of the screen reader like TalkBack, but it's have extra features here. So before we go in detail, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like, share this video and give me a comment at the comment box. So now I'm going to show you what is the basic settings after you install your commentary screen reader or Jieshuo. So let's go.
Page 2 of 3. Jieshuo. 20 million. Back. General settings. Setup with Jieshuo Lite. Jieshuo Lite. Setup with. Welcome to commentary screen reader. Welcome to commentary screen reader. Close. Permission.
Okay. When you first time install your commentary screen reader, after you install and open the file, the interface will be like this.
Welcome to commentary screen reader.
Okay.
Welcome to commentary screen reader. This software aims to help blind people use their phones more efficiently. Click on the setup wizard to set basic settings of the screen reader. Click on permission help to view the privacy policy, or click exit to exit the program.
So we're going to click the setup wizard to go to the next process or the next step.
Setup wizard button.
Okay, I'm going to double click.
Check permission status. Commentary screen reader needs some. Next button.
Okay, here is the second steps or second part.
Check permission status.
Check permission status. So let's read up.
Commentary screen reader needs some basic permissions to work. For instance, storage permission is used to read sound schemes, extensions, or any other external data from the device. Click on next to continue and grant all required permissions, or click cancel to exit the software.
Okay, so this is the software basically for your storage, because if you download anything from after you installing Jieshuo, it will placed at your internal storage. So don't forget, you can't delete any folder. You can't delete any important folder from the Jieshuo folder. So if you do that, you will lose. Okay, so make sure you take note on this. You can delete some folder, but some folder you can't do. Okay, so let's continue swipe.
Close button. Cancel button.
I'm going to give next.
Next button.
To go to the next steps. After I double tap on the next, and it will show
Invert swiping gestures.
Input swiping gestures.
Invert swiping gestures.
Okay.
First, let's set the basic operation mode of the screen reader. By default, commentary screen reader uses the up swipe to move to the previous element, down swipe to move to the next element, and left and right swipes to execute the so-called shortcuts. If you are used to more traditional screen reader operation, please choose the invert swipe gestures option here. It should be noted that, when this change is applied, the up swipe will execute the so-called left shortcut, while the down swipe will execute the right shortcut. Now, please swipe down in order to find the option you wish to set, and double tap to activate it.
Okay, here you can choose either you want to choose impulse swipe gestures or default gestures. If you tick or double tap on the default gestures, you not will be able to modify or set your gestures according to your need. But if you double tap on the input swipe gestures, then you can set your gestures according to your needs. So let's swipe.
Invert swipe gestures button.
Okay, I'm going to click here.
Read usage hints next. Let's the yes button.
Okay, this is the next step.
Read usage hints.
Read usage hints. So let's hear.
Next, let's decide whether you wish to receive usage hints from the screen reader. Usage hints are short messages spoken on any element. These messages can help you to operate a given control, but if you are already familiar with the screen reader operation, it is recommended to switch them up for faster experience. Do you wish to receive these hints?
Okay, what is this?
Read usage hints.
Read usage hints. So basically, if you're a talkback user, you will hear sometimes you will hear these words. If you focus on any applications or any settings or anything else, it will say double tap to activate. So the same feature has provided in the commentary screen reader or Jieshuo. So if you want your screen reader announce the double tap to activate, you can
next, let's close button, no button, yes button.
Click on yes. But if you don't want, or if you're already familiar with the screen reader, so you can click on
no button.
No button. So I will click on no button because I didn't want this option.
Read the focused list items index lists are there. Yes button.
Okay, now we're going to look at next step.
Read the focused list items index.
Read the focus list item index. So what is this?
Lists are a very important part of the Android user interface. Now you will decide whether you want the screen reader to read various information about the current list, notably the index of the currently focused element, or the display range of the list. Do you wish this information to be read?
Yes. So if you click on yes, all the list which appear on your screen will read based on the number list. So for example, at your home screen you have a 4 application, and it will, if you swipe between them, it will read the list according to the position of the application. And same as well, if you go to any places like settings or etc, it will read to you based on the number list, okay, and the position that they have already have. So you can choose. This is your wish, either you want or no. So I choose
close button, no button,
no.
Automatic close button.
Now we go into next steps, which is
automatically read notifications from the notification bar.
Yes, automatically read the notification from the notification bar. So what is this actually? That's here.
Please select whether you want the screen reader to read notifications. Notifications include incoming SMS messages, weather forecasts, or any other information generated by your device. It is recommended to enable notifications, but if you don't want to be interrupted during your work, it is recommended to switch them off. It is worth noting that commentary screen reader has a feature called notification box, which might make it much easier to view notifications on some devices.
I hope you don't need further explanation more, but if you need, let me explain about it quickly. So if you are TalkBack users, you will notice that your notification, if you receive any notification from your social medias, such as WhatsApp, YouTube, and so on, so on. And your screen reader will read it up to you, right? Either your screen is lock or unlock. It doesn't matter. This same feature has been provided in this Jieshuo. So this option also you need to choose according to your need. So I will choose
Don't read notifications button.
yes. This is my option, and I'm going to double click here, and it will bring to the next.
Use a single TTS engine comment. Close button.
Okay, now the next.
Use a single TTS engine.
Use the single TTS engine. This is the one of the specialty for commentary screen reader or Jieshuo. So what is the specialty of this screen reader? If you see in talkback, you only can use one TTS, but if you want to use two TTS, you need to depend on another application such as Smart Voice or etc. But in this Jieshuo screen reader application, or we also can know as commentary screen reader, CSR, and anything else, we can use two TTS here. So let's read up first.
Commentary screen reader can use two TTS engines at the same time. The main TTS engine will be used to read most of the information, while the secondary TTS engine will be used to read notifications and other less important content. It is recommended to use a single TTS engine if you are not used to this function yet.
Here we go. So this is a quick explanation. This also you can choose according to your need. I will choose
Use a single TTS engine button.
yes. So now I'm going to double click here.
The setup wizard has completed its work successfully. Should you need to run the basic setup wizard again, go to General Gesture Scheme Help button.
Okay, after you've done it, it will give you
The setup wizard has completed its work successfully.
yes, the setup wizard has been complete.
Should you need to run the basic setup wizard again, go to General Settings greater than Setup Wizard.
Okay, so if you want to run the setup wizard again, you should go to the Jieshuo. You should open your Jieshuo and you should go to the general settings, which is the first settings at Jieshuo, and you will find setup wizard. So
OK button.
click on OK and
Jieshuo Lite.
just hit on back button.
Jieshuo Lite. Back button. Back button. Back button. Home. Jieshuo Lite.
So that's all for today's tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will look about general settings, more details. So in the general settings, we have a setup wizard. Okay, we have a setup wizard, and at the setup wizard also we have one more thing I forgot to tell.
Folder Jieshuo Lite.
I'm really
Jieshuo
sorry.
20 mil. Back
So,
button. General. Set TTS. Jieshuo Lite.
in this setup wizard,
Setup wizard.
you also have
Check permission status.
check permission status. You can check your permission status here. So if you double tap here,
Permissions not granted.
permission not granted. So you can check from here which permission that you have give is granted.
Permissions not granted.
Permission not granted because I didn't give all the permissions.
Access approximate location only in the foreground. Directly call phone numbers. This app can appear on top of other apps. Request install packages. Modify system settings. Read phone status and identity.
So these all are the permissions that you can give if you want. So I'm going to hit back,
Back button.
and if you swipe to the right,
Accessibility. Setup. Check display pop-up window permission status.
check display pop-up window permission status. So here,
Display pop-up window permission has been granted. Commentary screen reader uses the overlay windows for things like displaying menus. Recognition results are for the curtain mode.
so this option we need to give granted permission here. So let's come out.
Back button. Accept. Check ignore battery optimization permission status.
Checking the battery optimization permission status.
Ignore battery optimization permission has been granted. Ignore battery optimization permission has been granted.
Okay.
Battery optimization can help to extend battery life, but it will cause the screen reader to shut down or hibernate unexpectedly. It is recommended to grant the ignore battery optimization permission for better stability and use the dedicated power saving mode for extending battery life.
So this is the function for, and this is the reason that why you need to give this permission.
OK button.
Okay. So next.
Jieshuo light. Check display. Check ignore battery. Check notification display permission status.
Notification display permission status.
Notification display permission has been granted.
Okay, let's read.
Commentary screen reader uses the notification display permissions for showing the notification icon used to resume gestures, using the killing prevention features, etc. Granting this permission will help make the program more stable on your device.
So,
Change button.
you can change here. And for my knowledge, just give the granted permission.
Back button.
Okay. Next.
Check notification display permission. Check automatic startup permission status.
Okay. This is the last permission.
Jieshuo Lite version 20,221,107i. Open button. Force stop button. Uninstall button.
Okay, we no need to do anything on this.
Back. Jieshuo Lite.
So
Check notification display permission status.
this is the last permission.
Check automatic startup permission status.
This one we no need to do anything.
About commentary screen reader.
So about commentary screen reader, you can learn about
Check
commentary
about commentary screen reader.
screen reader here. So I'm going to double tap.
Jieshuo Lite version 20,221,107i.
Okay, this is the Jieshuo that I'm using now.
Open button. Force. Uninstall button. 0-0. Stop. Data. Battery use. 0- Manage notification. Permissions. Display over other apps. Picture. 0- Open by default mode. 0- Navigate up button. Jieshuo Lite.
This
Jieshuo Lite.
all
Back button.
these are unimportant things.
Folder recorders.
Okay, that's all we have done about the setup wizard. So hope this tutorial will be helpful for everyone, especially for the new users or basic users. And if you like this video, please share and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button. And lastly or finally, don't forget to give your comments about this video. See you on the next tutorial or on the next video. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. See you soon.